Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's video is about this wig I received from Mellow hair wigs, and it came in DHL bag. The postage was super fast. So yeah, this hair is a 13 by 4 lace front wigs, and it's 150% density, and it's also in 20 inches. And you can see that it has combs inside and at the back, and also the lace in the front is a frontal lace wig. The texture of this hair is jerry coily and is Brazilian, and this hair wasn't bleached, but the fronts are pre-plucked, and you can see the parting space. You can part on this hair of all the front because it has deep part. So receiving this hair, I like, okay, let me quickly wash this hair. So I went ahead and just wash this hair and allow it to dry while I do my makeup. Then I come to install. And washing your hair is really easy. Make sure that you wash it to one direction, so when you apply your shampoo, make sure that you just like use your hand to just pull it to one direction towards the ends of it. And when you remove all the shampoo on it, you just go ahead and apply conditioner and allow it to just air dry, which that is what I did. And that's a little shedding I got when I washed the hair. All right, so now that it's partially dry, I want to apply this hair now. And so yeah, showing you the parting space again. The coils on this hair is really tight. I haven't combed it out yet, so I'm trying to show you the parting space you can get. And the color of this hair is natural color, like you can see. If you want to bleach it, you can also bleach it. You can bleach this hair, and also bleach the knots, bleach the hair itself. And yeah, so I'm going to style this hair quickly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just cut the lace off camera because I want to apply it without the lace. So now I'm back, and so yeah, I just put it on my head, and it looks really nice. If you don't want to just stress yourself to glue it down, you can wear it. Put this the strap, the elastic strap that came with it, just sew it to it, and you can just wear it like that, like if you're going for like a center part. But if you just want to like show the ear side of your hair, is it to be advisable to glue it. So I'm using my got to be glue, the black one, to apply. despite the fact that I didn't even bleach this hair, because I wore a wig cap under, the color really suits my own scalp and I really like it. So it's good to apply a lot of water on this hair because it makes it to pop the curls out, you know. So you know the ends also, the my edges also, you know, I'm going to do it later. So yeah, it's basically simple to wear and this hair really suits me. I have a picture of this on my Instagram already and everyone is like, where is this hair from? So I like to test the hair out for some days before I come and give my honest review. And from what I see on this hair is really nice. There is no major shedding, just a little bit of, you know, hair coming out, which is expected when you have coily hair. And coily hair also, you need to apply a lot of leave-in conditioner and also all those coily kind of hair cream that you have. Don't just add ordinary water and leave it, because when it dry it begins to freeze. So yeah, most times it's good to apply some hair serum and apply like leave-in conditioner and, you know, a lot of water and you're good to go. Guys, just see how nice these coils are popping. And by the way, if I've not mentioned, it's 20 inches and it looks really nice. I really love it's true to length and the texture is really amazing. This is my hair for end of June. I'm gonna be rocking this. You can see the ends when I cut the lace perfectly to match my hairline. You can see how beautiful is laid. I didn't even put too much glue because I don't want them all glue hair for 1 week. No, I like to just put light glue, get my edges done, take it out in the night, wear it the next day, repeat it. You know, that's what I do. I don't just wear it and just keep it on, because I'm trying to protect my edges and at the same time try to grow my hair and at the same time trying to rock a wig. So I have to balance it up. All information you need to know about this hair is in the description box. Just check it out, follow the link and buy this wig. Is really affordable and the quality is amazing. I like how I can style it in different ways, and you know, I really like this hair. It's so soft and the quality is good. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Until my next one, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and tell me what you think about this wig down in the comment section and I'll be there to reply all your comments. Bye.